Hi, this is Jack Ma with Century 21. Welcome to another virtual open house. So, where am I right now? We're in a very private and secluded community called Harbor Estate in the heart of Walnut. It is a gated community with only 21 units in here. So, very private, very quiet. And the address for this property is 1351 Bellavista Drive. And 3-car garages, 44 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a very large size loft. Let's take a look. As you walk in, of course, you can get the high ceiling that makes the spaces very spacious, and you got the living room and the formal living room and the formal dining room on the left hand side, which is separate from the family room area. Again, offer a lot of privacy. You'll see wood shutter, plantation shutter throughout the house, and a lot of windows offering plenty of lights coming into the house. Now, are you a wine lover? Well, this is the place for you. The seller converted one of the closet into a small wine cellar. But don't be fooled by the size. It actually can store a lot of the wines. Let's check it out. See, it's not big, but look how many wines they got there. And it's even got a built-in wine fridge. So, hey, some money saved for you too. Okay, so as you walk to the back portion of the house, you get the family room, dining area, and the kitchen. Now, bear in mind, on all the rooms in the back side of the house, you almost have wall-to-wall window throughout. Why? Because of the view. So the property is sitting on a green right off the golf course. Now the property is built in 2002, so you actually already get a lot of these great room concepts. So you can see very open space between the family room, dining area, and the kitchen. In the dining area, you also got a small workstation, so you can easily do your bills or catch up on some emails. Now the property has been upgraded with 8-burner range, and the wood, both are GE monogram. Let's take a look at the view out here from the wash sink. Wouldn't this make cooking a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable? Now, a home this size, of course, is gonna build in with a pantry. So you do have a lot of storage space for food. Look how organized they are. Oh, I forgot to mention earlier too. So there are 2 sets of stairs. So first set is right off the living room and the dining room area. And you can also access the stair from the back side of the house. Let's check out this side of the house. So you have the laundry room. Now again, plenty of cabinets for storage. Also a sink for easy cleaning. And then you have this downstairs bedroom where the owner right now is using it as a downstairs office. Now it's got closet and attached bathroom, so it can easily be used as a bedroom for the guests or seniors. Okay, let's go upstairs. You know what? Let's go back upstairs from the front, because or else I would have missed the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom. and you got a additional closet right here. So let's go upstairs. Now that would be the access from the other stair sets. Now look how much space you got on the second story. So you have a loft, additional space that could be potentially be converted to an additional bedroom if needed. And you have the master bedroom on this side of the house. And the other bedrooms are on the other side. So again, more privacy for the homeowners. Let's check out the secondary bedrooms first. Now this is the third suite, so the one downstairs, it's a bedroom, it's a suite. So master bedroom, of course, is a suite. And this is the third suite that this property has to offer. And then it comes with a walk-in closet. Now there are a total of 4 bedrooms upstairs, master bedroom, 3 additional bedrooms. And then these 2 other bedrooms, it's a Jack and Jill, so they share the same bathroom. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. Look at the size of the master bedrooms. Now all the bedrooms comes with a ceiling fan. So that makes it very energy efficient with the, in addition to the windows that they're offered, the plenty of windows they have, it's got great circulations. And let's check out the view out here. Now would you look at that? So again, also in the master bedroom, which is situated basically almost across the entire back side of the house, it's got nearly wall-to-wall windows, so you can enjoy the entire panoramic golf course view and the view of your pool. And we got the master bathroom here. Again, windows for you to look out, but just be careful when you're taking a bath and if you want to open the window. I mean, it is a public golf course out there. And for the ladies, let's look at the walk-in closet. I can hear my wife mentally wowing this walk-in closet already. Well, let's take you to the last part of the house inside, that interior we haven't seen, which is the loft. Let's go. So the owner was using this as a entertainment area, and then the back area, the lady of the house was using as her utility room. I think she was doing some sewing and weaving, just hobby stuff here. So it can be up to you however you want to use the house. And I know we're in COVID situation, so a lot of people are needing both people are working from home. So a lot of time we'll be needing a secondary office or a area for the kids to study or an area for the kids to play. So now this it's up to your imagination how you want to use this space. And now, let's go take a look at the backyard. So we're gonna walk back down the stairs. And then we'll take the other set of stairs this time. So first of all, you have the pool, and the backyard is paved. You also have the built-in barbecue area. And again, overlooking the entire panoramic view of the golf course. And that structure there is actually the clubhouse of the golf course.